Hello friends, it's Rick and Lisa's Kitchen and Garden. Summer is the season of abundance. It's also a season for salad. Today I'm going to share with you how to make nutritious, healthy, and gourmet salad dressing with tahini sauce or peanut butter. This is the tahini I bought from the market. A lot of friends don't know what tahini is. Tahini is the paste made of roasted sesame seeds. It could be the byproduct from making sesame oil, or it can just made for the purpose of making this tahini. It's very thick and it doesn't have salt or any other flavors. If you want to use it, you have to add other things to spice it up. I'll show you how. When you open the package, on the top of the tahini, it's a layer of sesame oil. It's pretty thick, but you will feel it's like liquefied, but at the bottom it's a very thick paste. You need to give it a good mixture and then take out the amount you need. When you take tahini out of the container from the bottom, it looks like this. And when you stir it, it's pretty thick and heavy. It doesn't have much taste. You need to add some salt. And if you like a little bit sour taste, you can add either rice vinegar or regular vinegar or malt vinegar, or you can use lemon juice. I'm going to use some lemon juice today. Okay, add some salt. You have to add enough salt that make this salad dressing just the right saltiness. And I prefer to add a little bit of lemon juice to bring out the freshness. And then you add a little bit of water, and then you give it a good stir. At the beginning, it looks like this, and the more you stir, it gets like drier and thicker. And you just add a little bit more water. A lot of people don't know this, so they just take the tahini out of the container and start to use it, and it turns out to be so thick you cannot apply it properly. See, it gets pretty dry, and you add a little bit more water. I'll add a little bit of soy sauce too, just to give it more different flavors. A little bit more water. You add the water slowly. I don't have a portion how much is the right amount. You have to just gradually add and get to the right consistency. You have to taste it too, see if you have enough lemon juice or vinegar or enough salt to your own liking. That's not bad. I think I need a little bit more salt. You don't have to make a lot in one shot, because it's better you use this dressing within a week or so, because it's diluted. It won't keep as long as the pure sesame paste, tahini, for that matter. You add a little bit more water. A lot of friends like the Japanese the salad offered in Japanese restaurants, and this is the salad dressing they use. You can also add a little bit sugar if you like sweetness, but I don't add sugar. I try to avoid sugar and make the dressing nice and healthy. And the wet vegetables you are going to use, it has a lot of sweetness anyhow. See, now it's nice and consistent, and you can use it. And you can store this in the fridge, but when you store it in the fridge, when you start to use it, it turns to be a little bit thick. You just need to give it a good shake and a good stir before you apply it to your salad. Now I can just apply it to my salad, and it's just nice. And for summer, you can use this for a lot of things. You can use it for noodles, for salad, for anything you like. It's just very refreshing, nutritious, and healthy. And this is the salad that we are going to have for breakfast.
Yum yum.
Yeah, it's very good. I hope you get it. You can use peanut butter. If you don't have tahini, you can use peanut butter. Do the same process, same drill, and you can get a very nice, delicious salad dressing as well. Or you can use half tahini, half salad peanut butter. Make very delicious salad dressing as well. Keep cooking. Enjoy the good food. Thank you for watching. See you next time.